Conglomerates seem to have pledged a whole lot, and with disclosures coming in thick and fast, one finally notices there wasn't just the Tatas, it's also the Anil Dhirubhai Ambani group, the Birlas and the whole lot of them. So Damani Mattu has this report.
The pledging saga continues. With each passing day, the list of conglomerates with pledged promoter stakes swells. The latest to join the ranks being the Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani group. Promoters' pledged shares account for over 16% of Reliance Infra's equity, over 13% of Reliance Communication and 4% of Reliance Capital. With over 300 companies now having disclosed their pledged positions, analysts estimate that nearly 1.1% of the current market cap of publicly listed companies lies pledged with NBFCs and banks. And the markets are gradually coming to terms with this.
Pledging of shares as an issue, I think it came up when the names of 4-5 companies came up. Now, as it turns out, each and every corporate has pledged. So it's no longer a story, and I don't think that should be taken as something which is negative. Because if every company which is listed has pledged, then why is it a negative? So then it's a phenomena which is there in the market as a whole.
One segment that continues to reel under the impact of such disclosures, though, is realty, with large stakes pledged by promoters and dwindling liquidity in core operations, sparking fears of lender sell-offs in a sliding market. A case in point being Unitech, whose stock shared 6% in value following a disclosure that nearly 50% of its equity was pledged.
Maybe now I think analysts will be looking beyond the pledge to see whether the funds raised against the pledge have been used for the company's purposes, or rather the exposures which the company has got, or whether they have been used by the promoters for other ventures.
Pledge doesn't always mean trouble is what the market is learning. But with players like RIL and DLF still to make such disclosures, it may be too early to count on a mature reaction. In New Delhi with Damani Mattu, Ambika Kapoor for NDTV Profit.